So first of all, to lift off, this is an example. This is all part of your learning. It's all adding to your skill set. I want pure clean water. So clean and dry because, you know, the colours sink down to the bottom. We know we've used non-staining colours. I think Areolin's non-staining. We'll find out. But definitely French ultramarine blue will lift off nicely, and so will cobalt. So what you do is you go, I'm going to carve up to that edge there. Just, you have to have a nice clean dry tissue, damp brush, and you just start scrubbing. But this is fussing. This is what I don't want to do. I don't want to fuss. We want to have a real nice loosey-goosey painting. So I'm stabbing the tips of the brush into there. One problem with doing this is you can end up lifting off too much of the sizing that's on the paper. So that can cause problems later on. And you start to see sort of rough paper where you lay down new paint. So you don't want to do too much of this scrubbing thing. I'll do it on this shoulder as well. Don't rub too much of the tissue, just dab if you're going to be painting over it later. We're just trying to just scrub out the excess colour that's on the surface here. French ultramarine is usually pretty good at lifting up. Cobalt is the easiest to lift up. Cobalt's lovely. It lifts straight off the paper. But can you see that? That's much paler now. If you want to do that, you can for all of these, but you don't need to. So I've just lifted that bit there, bit there, bit there.